Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January 23rd and we're gonna be looking at silver right here as the chart of the day. 45 minutes time frame. I'm gonna be focusing only in the shorter cycle, guys. Long term is kind of pretty tough to figure out for sure where we are within the big move since we broke out above the 50, right? Again, my focus is purely in the short term, okay? So we're gonna be just looking at the shorter time frame here, and we're gonna be looking at this cycle that started from January 15, right? Again, short-term cycle. Now, a couple of things here. If you take a look at the momentum, we got a breakout momentum. There is no divergence, right? It is at the, so again, I'm starting from here. That's what I will be looking at. So basically it's this one, right? And you can see the current rally seems to be breaking out. Now if you just look at it from this part of the move, it's at the highest. So what this is telling us is this is not a wave 5 within this cycle. So that's why, because we break out to a new high, I think the best way to count it is just to count this within wave 3, and then you can see we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 waves up, pull back in 3 waves, rally again. So that will be a wave 3, because the other alternate scenario, the other option is going to be you try to put this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, but again, because the RSI still looks pretty strong, so this is more likely still within the wave 3 starting from January 15. So the way to measure the target is, as usual, you do the extension, right? Extension. Now the 100% is what I consider to be sort of the minimum, which is almost like $100, $99.75. But because it could be wave 3, it could potentially go all the way to 105 or even above $100, and then that will only end the wave 3, right? So after that, you're gonna get a 4, and then you will have another push higher in the 5. So most likely we're gonna go over $100 before we finish this 5 ways up from January 15, and then get a bigger pullback. Now, what kind of pullback we're gonna get there once we finish that wave 5, that is not really my focus point, right? It could be just correcting the cycle from January 15, or it could be correcting larger degree cycle, which means we could get a bigger pullback. Again, that's not my focus for this. My focus is purely on the short term. From January 15 looks incomplete with minimum 99.75 or more, and that will be only ending with 3, and then you're still gonna get a 4 and a 5, and most likely we're gonna go over $100 before we finish this 5 swing up from January 15. Alright, so that's the update here for today, and as always, we're gonna keep updating this as well as any other commodities, index, Forex in our service. If you like to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. For the new members is only 99 cents. You can use the link in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.